If your travel plans have unexpectedly changed and you need to manage your account to avoid a missed refund, knowing the cancellation steps is essential. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a reservation on Airbnb effortlessly. To begin, log into your Airbnb account and navigate to the Trips section of your dashboard. This is where all your current and upcoming reservations are stored. Locate the specific reservation you wish to cancel and click on it to open the booking details. Once you are on the reservation page, find the button to Cancel Reservation or Withdraw Request if the booking hasn't been confirmed yet. Before you proceed, it is crucial to carefully review the cancellation policy displayed on the screen. Hosts set specific rules, and canceling close to the check-in date might involve fees or only a partial refund. If you are satisfied with the terms, follow the prompts to verify your choice. Airbnb will ask for a reason for the cancellation. Select the most accurate one and confirm. Finally, keep an eye on your email inbox for a formal confirmation detailing any refunds processed back to your original payment method. That's how you cancel a reservation on Airbnb.